government also represents the government in courts. At the same time, the Attorney General is supposed to act in public interest. It occurs to me that the Attorney General is wearing two hats. He is a lawyer, he is also a minister. But this public-facing, public interest part has not been very clear. Therefore, I vision to be an Attorney General who will actualize the vision of an Attorney General under the Constitution. Be a principal legal advisor to the government, represent the government efficiently and adequately, and at the same time, protect public interest, uphold rule of law, protect human rights, good governance and accountability. I will be a responsive Attorney General and a lawyer of the people. And I hope the Office of the Attorney General will work with all the peoples of Kenya in realizing our aspirations under the Constitution. When it comes to contracts which are eschewed, Honorable Speaker, sir, I don't have any information on this, but if confirmed, I would make sure that we come up with some SOPs, standard operating procedures. We set standards, and we make sure that the Attorney General is actually represented and reliably represented in the contracts from the beginning to the end. Because unless you look at the quality of the contract and you mitigate any loss or any risk, it is very difficult to succeed in the end. So there is a need for an Attorney General to be represented from the beginning, to look at the clauses to make sure that they're responsive to what we